How you doing, guys? My name is David SKAFF. I'm here from the United States. I live in PA. I came here to visit Dr. Caymaz to do my hair. It was a great operation, no pain, easy work. The doctor is the best in the area. It was a one thing, pretty easy. Took a couple hours, done, no pain, and I love my operation, how it went and stuff.
So what's your expectations about?
Oh, my expectation, I'm going to get some good hair. I'm going to be a model now, you know? I'm going to go out.
Did you enjoy it? Did this was painful for you?
No, not at all. You know, you guys took care of me very well. You guys treated us like kings. This is a 5-star establishment. You fed us, you gave us food, everything.
What would you like to say to other people who?
You have to come here. This is the place to get your hair done. You want to get your hair done? You come here and you come visit Dr. Caymaz and get your hair done. No matter what, this is the place. He's the best, without a doubt. We looked all over. We did our reviews. We checked every place. He's the one you have to come here and check. He's 5 stars. Everyone else, nope. He's the best one.